Hey everyone, today we'll be doing question number 2 from exercise 2.2. So in this question, we need to find a quadratic polynomial with the given numbers. So the numbers that are given are the sum of zeros and the product of zeros. So we might think this is complicated, but we just have to use the same concept we know in a different way. So let's look at the first question. Here, the sum of zeros is 1 by 4 and the product is minus 1. Here, we need to find the values of A, B and C. So we know that the sum of zeros equal to minus B by A, and that's equal to 1 by 4. Here, we can assume that A equal to 4 and B equal to minus 1. And looking at the next one, the product equal to minus 1. So C by A. So we know that A is equal to 4. So minus 4 by 4 equal to minus 1. So C equal to minus 4. So now once we put all the values in, we get the polynomial as 4x square minus x minus 4. Let's look at the next question. Here the sum is root 2 and the product is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is equal to C by A because the product of zeros is C by A. So we can assume that A equal to 3 and C equal to 1. So now to find B, we can just put the value in the other one. So minus B by A equal to minus B by 3. So root 2 equal to minus B by 3. So once we cross multiply, we get B equal to minus 3 root 2. So the polynomial is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. So to do this question, we just need to substitute the values and assume the values of A, B and C. Similarly, let's do the third one. Here, the sum of zeros is 0 and the product is root 5. So minus B by A equal to 0. So we can assume that A is 1 and B is 0. And here, the product of zeros is root 5. So C by A is root 5. So C, we can assume it to be root 5. So since the middle term is 0, we can take the polynomial as x square plus root 5. Let's do the next one. The sum of zeros is 1 and the product of zeros is also 1. So we can assume that minus B by A equal to 1. So we get B as minus 1 and A as 1. Similarly, the product of zeros is 1. So C by A equal to 1. So we get C as 1. Similarly, we can do the fifth one. In the fifth one, the sum is minus 1 by 4 and product is 1 by 4. So once we compare it with minus B by A, we get A equal to 4 and B equal to 1. And once we compare the product of zeros with C by A, we get C equal to 1. So the polynomial will be 4x square plus x plus 1. Now coming to the last subpart, the sum of zeros is 4 and the product of zeros is 1. So minus B by A equal to 4. So we can take A as 1 and B as minus 4. Now once we compare C by A with 1, we get C equal to 1. So once we put all the values, we get x square minus 4x plus 1. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.